Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing or recording your clip so you can hear the problem. This matters because noise removal works best on clean, isolated material. Once your file is on a track, solo it and reduce input gain until peaks sit about -6 dB to avoid clipping. Next, choose a short silent section that only contains background noise. You'll use this as a noise profile. Make sure monitoring is enabled so you can audition changes in real time while you work. Now apply a noise gate via smart controls. Lower the threshold until background hum disappears but the vocal or instrument remains intact, then adjust attack and release for natural tails. Once done, open channel EQ and sweep a narrow band to find a notch persistent tonal noise. Reduce that band gently. Also insert a high-pass filter. Start around 60 Hz and raise as needed to remove low-frequency rumble without thinning the source. Make sure to preview changes while finish by refining dynamics. Add a gentle compressor or expander to even levels after noise editing. This helps restore perceived presence. If sibilance or harshness increases, insert a de-esser and tame those frequencies. Once done, bounce a short section and listen on headphones and speakers. Different systems reveal artifacts. If you hear pumping or warbling, reduce the noise gate threshold or EQ cut, recapture a cleaner noise profile, and reapply more conservatively. That usually resolves artifacts without starting over.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.